disclosure, I can't absolutely guarantee that, but I can guarantee this is going to be the most amazing day of your life. Right, I better fill you in on what's going on and how. Local tech, and believe you me, I'll need to keep in touch because, sorry about this, you're the only one who can help me save the universe. And oh yeah, I'm the Doctor. I'm sure we'll... and dangerous, but you better get used to them. Long story short, imagine the infrastructure of time and space is a hard drive, and all living matter, everything that ever was or will be, is software. Well, someone's unleashed a virus that's attacking the hard drive and the software, meaning reality itself is being hacked, wiped, degraded. This reality virus is corrupting the past, present, and future. Now, I need you to check out the washing machines. And when you do, please don't freak out. Those creatures are vicious amphibians, sometimes used as guards by races like the Stenza and Zygons. They're deadly carnivores with no table manners and a taste for human flesh. They shouldn't even be in this system. We can thank the reality virus for them showing up here. Right now, they're incubating, but that won't take long. Then they'll smash out of the machines, so you've got to get out of there sharpish. Looks like there's only one exit, through the back door in the manager's office. Be careful, and whatever you do, Go on, have a shifty round. Explore. We need to get the electricity back on in the manager's office so we can see what's what. Check out the fuse box and try to get it working again. You need to put the fuse block into the box to get the power back on. You need to put the fuse block into the box to get the power back on. You need to put the fuse block into the box to get the power back on. You need to put the fuse block into the box to get the power back on. You need to put the fuse block into the box to get the power back on. You need to put the fuse block into the box to get the power back on. You need to put the fuse block into the box to get the power back on.
You need to put the fuse block into the box to get the power back on. Great work with the fuse box. Give this place a quick once over, would you? As I was being taken, I managed a bit of Take the photo frame and see if there's anything written on the back of it. Oh, that's got to be a part of it. 14, ace! But you still need another 2-digit number, so keep looking. And get your skates on, because the Hydrox are almost done incubating, and trust me, you do not want to be around when they break free. Were there any other photos? Back by the washers? Take the photo frame and see if there's anything written on the back of it. But you still need another 2-digit number. Get in there! That'll be it. Try to open the safe using the 2 sets of numbers you found. Try to open the safe using the 2 sets of numbers you found. Try to open the safe using the 2 sets of numbers you found. Oh, I love my sonic screwdriver, so don't lose it. Actually, I'll show you a nifty little trick to keep it safe when you're not using it. Super handy that. Grab the sonic then. Word of warning, the Hydrox are on the verge of breaking out, so you better get a move on. You need to unlock the door using the sonic. Try the back door. See if you can get out. Sorry to interrupt. Do me a favour, would you? Plonk this old radio on the workbench. I can get through to you easier if it's out in the open. Sorry to interrupt. Do me a favour, would you? Plonk this old radio on the workbench. I can get through to you easier if it's out in the open. Sorry to interrupt. Do me a favour, would you? Plonk this old radio on the workbench. I can get through to you easier if it's out in the open. Sorry to interrupt. Do me a favour, would you? Plonk this old radio on the workbench. I can get through to you easier if it's out in the open. Thanks. Look, that door won't hold the Hydrox for long. We've got to get you out of there as fast as we can, so you've got to knock up a nifty little device that'll help you escape. You're going to need 3 things. First, the radio I'm speaking to you through. We can take that one off. You'll also need a power source, some sort of battery, and something to transmit a signal. A satellite dish would do. Hop to it then. Find those items and put them on the workbench. Don't but the Hydrogs are getting stronger, and I'll soon be through that door, so get a move on. Sonic the carbonate. That might open it so you can see if there's anything in there that could help. Okay, a battery. Let's put that car battery on the workbench. There's got to be some kind of powerful battery in this old junkyard. Try finding a car battery. That should do the trick. Come on, I need you to find a satellite device. It's not like I'm asking for the moon. Although technically speaking, the moon is a satellite. Oh, I am loving your work. You've just got to get one more item now. The satellite device. Okay, there's got to be a satellite dish somewhere around here. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Give it a good sonic. That should get it down. Come on, lovely. Now plonk it on the workbench next to this radio. Right, use the sonic on them. That's it. Signal at maximum power. Oh, you are gonna love this bit. Oh, something's happening. Not good. Very not good. I'm losing my visuals on you. And my connection. I'm losing...
Sensors indicate Gallifreyan technology. It is the TARDIS. It is the Doctor's TARDIS. It must be acquired.
I haven't got a clue what's going on with you. Still no visuals, but I can see the transmitter needs a boost.
Exterminate!
If the TARDIS is there, what are you waiting for? Go on then. Step into the TARDIS. If the TARDIS is there, what are you waiting for? Go on then. Step into the TARDIS. If the TARDIS is there, what are you waiting for? Go on then. Step into the TARDIS. If the TARDIS is there, what are you waiting for?
Nice escape from the laundrette, mate. That's what I call a clean getaway. No? Oh well, see yourself. But hey, my TARDIS, Hydrox, a reality virus. Told you it was going to be amazing. But newsflash, now we've got to get on and somehow save all of creation. Right? This is going to be fun.